Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be talking about and we're gonna teach you how to download Urban VPN in PC and avoid these install mistakes. So the first install mistake that you need to avoid when you get down Urban VPN on your PC is downloading a modded or APK version, because those are one of the stuff that can put your PC at risk. Right now we're just gonna download the official from the official site. So we're gonna type in Urban VPN right there. Then all we need to do is press on right here. After pressing on right here, click on free download. After pressing on free download right there, there you go, as you can see, free download right there. You can also get the premium, there you go. So for the premium, it is a paid plan, of course, but you'll be able to use the Urban VPN in your the PC itself, which is good. And here, just click on, for example, you're using Windows, because it's Windows, click on Windows right here, and your download should begin automatically. It didn't work, just click right here. So once you click on the Windows right here, there you go, just click right here if it's still not downloading. But anyways guys, we're going to talk about first here. Once we click on here, free download, we'll be able to go here to our extension right here, which will be extended to our browser right here. So the second thing is right here, when we click on this one, the Windows right there, so it's not yet downloading, so it's bugging a bit. So we're gonna click here. So this will download it. So we're just waiting for it. So while we are waiting for it, we just need to click here. Still not downloading for some random reason. So we're gonna choose Windows again. Click here. Haven't downloaded it. Still loading on my end. Yeah. There you go. Now it's downloading. So we just have to wait for a few seconds. Once it's fully downloaded, we can now install it in our PC. Excuse me about that. There you go. So click on Urban VPN exe. Press on this. Just press on yes right there. Next, then agree and continue. Accept, install. Now we are waiting. So the status, there you go. So while we are waiting for this, let me talk about to you that if you want to use a VPN, you can select down below on the description. We have a VPN there. You can sign up there. Choose to buy a NordVPN if you want. But anyways, guys, right here we are now done. Click on finish. You can keep on free plan right there, and there you go, start. Now there you go, continue free. So we're gonna put the thing right there, and there you go, you have yourself your Urban VPN. So there you go, guys, that's how I do it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question, you can start with the question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And there you guys, see you guys on the next one, and thank you guys.